Meaning of etiquette.
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 Etiquette. The term etiquette refers to the customary code of behavior that is considered polite and socially acceptable in a particular culture. It includes various rules and norms related to communication, dress, manners, and social conventions. Etiquette is important in maintaining social harmony and facilitating positive interactions among individuals. It helps to demonstrate respect, consideration, and good breeding, ultimately enhancing personal relationships and social standing. Adhering to proper etiquette can also convey professionalism and competence in business settings, and it is essential for building rapport with clients and colleagues.